friends, and welcome back to If Only April. So today's video is gonna be a bit of a motivation video, and we're gonna be cleaning my messy
Do you know how messy kids can be?
Yes, it's that bad. It's gonna be a very raw and very deep clean. Well, I blame it all on the kids. This car hasn't seen any sort of cleaning for at least 6 months.
Well, a long time ago.
As you know, I have 2 kids, and as much as I would love to have a no snacks in the car policy, this is just not gonna happen anytime soon, unfortunately. Please don't look in the back of the car because I already cleaned it, and what you're looking at is the clean version. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell button to be notified every time I post something new. Let's do it. This video makes me super excited and super happy because since I decided to make a video about it, I was like, okay, fine, I'm totally going to clean it. And this car hasn't seen any love for like probably 6 months, and it just got a bit messy. Just a little bit, tiny bit, just very tiny bit. I had to take all the car seats out, and I was so happy about it because they got so dirty and so messy. Look what I found. How did it get there? Yes, I know. Bear with me, it's gonna get clean. This is how many bottles and cups I found in this car. How insane is that? This car definitely has seen better days. This is my favorite part. Deep clean the car seats. I took off the covers, I threw them into the washing machine, and by the time I was done cleaning the car, they were nice and fresh and ready and perfectly clean, which makes me so happy. Overall, to clean this car, it took me about 3 hours. To deep clean the trunk, because I carry a lot of wood in there, and every time I go to Home Depot and I bring some lumber, I've got a lot of wood chips. So the best way to do it is to take your shop vac. I cannot stress this enough. I'm gonna link you one below. The one that I have is just changed my life when I got one. It's insane. It's amazing. Oh my god, look at this. Doesn't it make you happy? It makes me so incredibly happy to see all this garbage to be sacked away. I think owning a shop vac, it's a must for any household. I wiped all the glass with a Windex, and for the leather I made the special mixture, which was 1/3 of the soap and the rest is water. Yeah, which I put in the Windex bottle, so don't look at the bottle. And yeah, and I just like deep cleaned all the leather from all this like gooey, chewy stuff that was under the car seats. That was so gross. And this is the best trick I've ever seen, to use the small toothbrush to deep clean every little corner of your car. It's seriously amazing. Such a cheap little trick that's definitely gonna change your car cleaning experience. I used the regular fiber cloth for most of the part, and it worked perfectly fine. I know that there's some special leather treatments, but since we are staying home, I couldn't really be bothered to go and get something, so I think soapy water worked perfectly fine, and it did the job, and makes me so excited to see this car finally being cleaned. Probably after this deep clean, I'm not gonna allow my kids to eat in the car. I mean, I'll try at least. I don't know how it's gonna go. But sometimes, you know, when you drive on the highway and they're screaming and you're like, oh my god, okay fine, take this snack and just be quiet. I really hope that this video put a smile on your face, and I really hope that this video gonna motivate you get up and just go and clean something. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that this video motivated you to go and clean something. I wish I could promise you that it's not gonna get messy ever again, but I probably would be lying. Although, since we're staying home and my kids didn't go anywhere for the last 2 months, this car has been clean for the last 2 months. Yes, well, there is some benefit of being quarantined, right? Your car stays clean. Yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. See you next week. Stay productive and go clean something. Oh, let me know if you want me to clean something else. I'm pretty sure I can find another dirty corner of my house to clean and record for you. See you next week, guys. See you next week. See you next week. Stay productive and go clean something. See you next week, guys. Stay productive and go clean something.